Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to change default PDF reader in Windows 11. In Windows 11, if you open a PDF or portable document file, your system will use Microsoft Edge to open it. But there's a good alternative to Microsoft Edge, and in this video, we will show you how to do just that. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Apps from the left side list. Go to Default Apps. Go to Search line. Type .pdf. Click on the popped-up browser result. Select the app that you want to use from the list. Click on More Apps to see more options. Click on the app that you need, and click OK. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!